Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 8 of this house build. Let's get started. So in this video, we're going to add in surrounding floors. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use topography. So let's go to site, and then from site, we can add in our topography under massing and site, and then click on topo surface, and then our elevation is at the moment 0, and then we're gonna change the materials later on. I'm going to go and click it here on the side, so that's our 0 elevation, and then from there let's increase it, and then we go from there, and then we're gonna do some increments. And then a big surge on the height right here, and then a big drop. $900 right here, and then 500, and then we go 800 right here, and then 600, and then 1000 right here, and then 1500, and then 1000 again, and then 2000 right here, and then 1500, $1000, $500, and then 200, and then 0 again. And after that, click finish, click it back, and then let's just click on the grass. And pull it up, apply, and then OK. And I want to see it. So it looks like that. There's a big increase in height there, which I like because we're going to add in some trees at the back here. And then let's add in some roads. So level 1, and then go back here, and then click on floor. And then let's edit type, duplicate floor number 3. And then let's change this to concrete as well. Click apply, and then OK, and then OK again. And then here, I'm just going to go at the end here and just create a road like so. And then I'm just gonna extend it on the other side as well. And then click finish. So it's look like that. And what we could do is we could just put this one down a little bit on a negative so we could just edit and then go back to site, and then we could just connect them. I'm just gonna place another point, negative 200, just to be sure that it's all under there and it doesn't give any gaps. So that's perfect. That's good enough for me. And then let's do the other side as well. That will be grass as well. Or we could just add another house at the side here. So only at the back in here. And then just a bit of another house that we made previously. Or just a house that we can create right now as well. So that just to give it some character. So what we can do is we could go back to massing insight and let's do the back topo surface, and then we're gonna do it same thing as we did. So 200 first, or 0 first. I like to start with 0 right here, and then I increase it from there. And then after that, let's do 600. I always like the back to be bigger so that it doesn't show the back there. 1000. So it's just increasing. 1500. 5000. 2000. And then 500. $100. And then just click finish. Select it again, and then just put cast. Click apply, and then let's look at it. The big jump, that's too much. So let's just put this one around 2500. 2000 here. 1500. 500. So that's good enough. And then on the side here, what we could do is so let's finish this out. Here, I'm just gonna edit, duplicate, and then Let's change this to another concrete. So and then we're just gonna add it on this side. So I'm gonna add it right here. I'm just gonna give it some space here, and then we're going to add a floor. Duplicate, and this will be grass as well. Let's put grass. So a small portion right here will be grass. Then we're just gonna push this one like that. CS to just connect that one there. Align it. And then for the height, let's go back here and then change the height. AL. And then for this one, let's add in the grass as well. Then obviously we will have our house. So I'm just basically doing the perimeter of the house first. And then here I'm gonna edit this type again, this wall. This will be the wall of the house. I want it to be, let's see here. Let's do brick. And then basically just create something like that. Just doing a negative top offset, probably negative 1000. I don't want it to be too high, or just so this one, let's change this. This should be number 5, and then this one is good. And then let's just add the roof. And it's just gonna be a basic roof. And then let's duplicate this. Just choose one of this and just click finish. And then obviously we need to negative 1000 right here. I think that's good enough. And let's maybe add some windows. The one for the fixed. I feel like this is too small. So let's just negative 500. And then the same thing as here. I'm just aligning all the windows. And then we're gonna put some of the grass here and then some trees. And we could just push this one. Or instead of pushing, let's add in the same border wall. So CS that. And then just put it like that. And that's good enough. We might just extend this. I'm gonna click edit and then just edit this and then extend it all the way there at the back. And then add in another floor, edit, duplicate. This will be concrete. And then just the driveway right here. I know this is something that it won't be seen anymore, but I figured that we could just do that. And then another CS here for the driveway. Then align it. And then there we go. At least we have something to show. We could add in some trees here and then at the back to cover some stuff. We could just extend this a bit like that as well, and we're good. So the next video will be on Twinmotion. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.